Hi there, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to reset your Sennheiser wireless headset. First, we want to make sure that the headset is resting on the charging base, and have that base handy, of course. And then you might want to have a ballpoint pen handy for you. This is optional, but it might be useful here in just a moment. Now, what we're going to do, leave the headset on the base, flip the base around to the back, and on the back here, we're looking for the orange and yellow ports. Now, in my case, I just have the yellow plugged in, which is DC power, but you might have the orange port plugged in and going to your computer. If you have both of these, go ahead and unplug them both, or unplug the one that you do have. All right, so I'm taking the power out. And now we want to make a note of which of these 6 little white switches we have in the down position. For me, I just have number 5 in the down position. Write that down or make a mental note of it. And then we are going to flip all 6 of those switches into the down position. I'm going to try using just my fingernail, but this is where that ballpoint pen can definitely come in handy if you can't reach them. So I'm going to go in here, flip them all down, voila. Now, the next piece of the puzzle is to plug the power, and if you had it, the mini USB, back into your base. And then we are going to wait 20 seconds. After the 20 seconds, we'll now go in and flip all 6 of these white switches back into the up position. I can't quite get these 2 with my finger, so I'm going to use the ballpoint pen here to get those up. There we go, and voila. Now, once we've got all 6 switches in the up position, we can flip back down whichever switches were initially in the down position for you. For me, that was just number 5. Voila. There you have it. Your headset has been reset. And of course, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Sayonara.